Hi everyone, and welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to integrate Amazon Seller Central with Merchize Fulfill. If you're ready to sync your products, automate fulfillment, and supercharge your e-commerce game on Amazon, you've come to the right spot. We'll break it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps from beginning to end. Let's dive in. Step 1. Prepare your accounts. Before we jump in, ensure you have an active Amazon Seller Central account, a Merchize account. If you don't have a Merchize account yet, head over to merchize.com and sign up. It's fast and totally free. Once you're ready, we can set up the connection. Note, for security and to avoid any IP-related issues with Amazon, make sure you're accessing your Amazon Seller account using a VPS, another IP address, or a proxy service. This helps keep things smooth and compliant. Step 2. Connect your Amazon store to Merchize. Now, log into your Merchize seller dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Integrations and choose Amazon from the list of options. Here, you'll need to select your marketplace from the drop-down. Pick the one that matches your Amazon store, like Amazon US for Amazon.com, Amazon Canada for Amazon.ca, or Amazon Mexico for Amazon.com.mx. Next, enter a name for your Amazon store to differentiate it from other connected stores. Click the Connect button. This will redirect you to Amazon's website. Step 3. Authorize access on Amazon. You'll be taken to Amazon. If you haven't logged in, go ahead and log in with your Amazon Seller Central credentials. Once logged in, you'll see a page asking you to allow Merchize access to your account. Take a moment to review the permissions being granted. These typically include things like managing inventory, orders, and fulfillment to make the integration work. If everything looks good, approve the connection by clicking Confirm and complete the setup process. You'll be redirected back to Merchize, and that's the connection made. Step 4. Verify the connection. To make sure everything's linked up properly, head back to your Merchize dashboard, go to Integrations, and select Amazon. You'll see your connected Amazon store listed here, along with its status. If it says active, you're golden and ready to start syncing products. And there you have it. Your Amazon store is now integrated with Merchize. If you have any issues, double-check your settings or contact Merchize support for help. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments. See you next time!